what's happening, guys? So today it's pretty chilly, it's pretty windy, but we're going to show you how to replace the drum on a Belle mixer. Now it ain't going to take that long, which is just as well, because me and the old man, we want to get down the calf and have ourselves a full bifter, so let's crack on with it.
You alright, lads? Calf's open, turbo.
Right, now we know the calf's open, we better get a move on. So what we're going to want to do is, it's going to be tight, so you want to rock it, but with the idea being that you want to turn it anti-clockwise, and that should loosen the drum up. And now they're soft, you can now replace it with a new drum, and all you've got to do is just do exactly the same as what you did, just turning it clockwise.
You're getting beans, eggs, couple sausages, I reckon. Fried slice. Nice funny egg.
Right, so that's it, as simple as that. I hope this helped you out, guys. I want to thank you very much for watching. Now I'm going to go get my old man that runny egg, so have a good one.